So I don't know where in the series this is gonna come, because there are so many things going on at once. We got the engine, we got the brakes, everything. But what else we need with the swap is an LSD, because I wasn't driving with an LSD, and this is the medium case LSD. Before I was driving with the small case, so the small case is not going to hold up with the S54 power. So this is a M3 Diff, so this is a 3.15 LSD 25%, but I got this from Racing Diffs. It's the 3 clutch pack, so we're going to upgrade it from 25% locking to 40% with like preload shims and stuff, so it's going to already feel a lot better. I am going to need to change the ratio because 315 is too long, but I'm probably going to do that later because it's just yeah, need to still find the ratio for that. And what else we need to do, of course, we can't put it under the car like this. So I'm going to clean the diff up as far as I can with everything still assembled. Then we're going to disassemble it, take the cover off, take the flanges out. Then we're going to take the LSD, I don't know how you call it, LSD mechanism out. And we're going to add the clutch plates. So yeah, a lot of work ahead because this thing needs to be cleaned before, so we can compare it to the after later. Alright, we did some cleaning, but of course to do the good cleaning we need to take it apart. There is still oil in the diff. I don't have new oil yet, but what I'm going to do is drain the oil and use that a bit to rub in the new clutch plates before they burn up. So yeah, let's catch a bit of oil, get rid of the rest, and then take the whole diff apart. Alrighty. Now we can see inside the LSD. So I think what we need to do next is pop the flanges out, and then we can take the LSD housing out. So yeah, diff oil smells so bad. I think to take the LSD out we need to take these off as well. Alright, let's mark this, because I think there's a difference in the shims, not sure, but let's just do it to be sure. There we have it. Ugh. Now we come to the part where we're actually going to install the clutch plate discs, but we need to be inside the LSD housing. So these are Allen 6mm bolts that we need to undo. Let's not put too much force. Now let's get the cover completely off. Preload shim facing up. I'm telling this to the camera so I can remember. Then we have a disc, then a clutch plate, and then the plate itself, which looks in very good condition, so that's good. Smaller spider gears. And then we have this. I have no idea what this is called, but oh wait, we got the spider gear laying on top of there. And we got this, like so. Then we have and at the bottom we have these two. This is on the bottom we have the thick ring and the preload shim, or I don't know, loading shim, I don't know, I'm not a diff expert. facing down, so the pressure facing down. So what we have here is the racing diffs. Stage 1 clutch pack, which includes the extra. It includes new clutch packs and preloading shims. So I'm gonna open this package up for you so you can actually see. So here we have the new clutch discs. And these plates new, because I think these were for sure not about these, but I see they're a bit wary. And here we have the two preload shims, which are these, and looking at them, they seem a lot stiffer, so that's good. So what we need to do now is reassemble the diff with the new clutch packs and these new preload shims. I don't know what you call these, but it's alright. What we do need to do, I put some of the oil. I don't have new diff oil, so I got some old diff oil, or we're gonna put this in, oil it up once it goes in, and then we should have a rebuilt diff. It should be fairly easy. Racing Diffs has a full video on how to do this, so I'm gonna grab that and then put everything together. New clutch plate. Diff oil smells absolutely horrible. I'm covering myself in it, so great job. Spider gear, which is also still oily. Small spider gear. The other spider gear on top. Then we got this, the other pressure plate. So I taped off the diff, cleaned it up. Now we're gonna throw some paint over it. So all the bits that are painted are dry, so now it's time to put it back together. So you can put the housing in, put this together. Only thing I need is diff oil still and sealer for the cover. So I still need to wait on that, but at least we can assemble this part of it. So let's get this ready. So I finally got the oil. So I got the, oh, you can see it, Motul Competition 75W140. Literally everyone recommended me this one, so I'm gonna use it. And then we can put the cover on. So yeah. Cover everything in oil. Everything. Oh, that's nice and blue. put the plugs on. And finally the speed sensor. Time to put in the last bit of oil. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. It was a pretty fun job to do, I would say, and except the smell of diff oil because that's horrible. We still have to change the ratio because 3:15 is too long, especially with the S54. It's already too long on a 3:8, so that's something we need to do in the future. But we'll see. I don't feel like wrenching anymore. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. There are more videos coming, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.